Hi everyone, today I'm building set number 40424, 149 pieces, the Winter Snowball Fight. Now this set includes 2 minifigures, 1 buildable snowman, a Siberian husky, and a few other snow elements. Now before we open it up, let's take a look at the back of the box. Now here on the back of the box, it shows a couple of the play features of the set, which one of them is a sleigh riding down the hill, and the other one is a snowball throwing catapult. So now let's go and open it up and let's see what we have to work with. So here we have 3 unnumbered bags, and here's the manual. So let's get started. Here it is finished, and if you'd like to share what your favorite Lego winter set is, just comment down below. And if you like the video, please click like, and we'll see you in the next video.